2009, Paper 2, Question 1b, Part 2. Find the values of k, element of R, for which the line x minus y plus k equals 0 is a tangent to the circle x minus 3 in brackets squared plus y plus 4 in brackets squared equals 50. Comparing the equation for the circle that's given in the question with the hk form of the circle, we see that it has a centre hk. The centre of this circle is 3 minus 4, and the radius is the square root of 50. That's the square root of 25 times the square root of 2, or 5 root 2. Here are three simple diagrams. In the first, the distance from the centre of this circle to this line is greater than the radius. This line isn't a tangent to the circle. The distance from the centre of this circle to this line is less than the radius. Again, this line is not a tangent. Here, this is a tangent, and it has the very important property that the perpendicular distance from the centre of the circle to the tangent is exactly equal to the radius. So, to find values of k for which the equation in the question gives us a tangent, we'll use the formula for the perpendicular distance from this centre point to the line equation and set it equal to the radius 5 root 2. Here's the equation of the tangent given in the question. X minus y plus k equals 0. Comparing it to the standard form of the line, we get a equals 1, b equals minus 1, and c equals k. Now the point for the centre is 3 minus 4. We worked that out earlier. So x1 equals 3, y1 equals minus 4. And this perpendicular distance from the centre to this tangent line must equal the radius 5 root 2. Here's the formula for the perpendicular distance. We have a lot of substitution to do. A will be 1, x1 3, b minus 1, y1 minus 4, c will equal k, a will still equal 1, b will still equal minus 1, and d will equal 5 root 2. It's going to be difficult to be accurate with so much substitution. Be careful. So here we have a x1 plus b y1 plus c over the square root of a squared plus b squared equals d. Simplifying, we get 3 plus 4 plus k over the square root of 1 squared is 1, minus 1 by minus 1 is also 1, so it's the square root of 2, and that's equal to 5 root 2. 3 and 4 is 7 plus k over root 2 equals 5 root 2. Now that root 2 below the line, we can just multiply across by it. 7 plus k in absolute value will equal 5 root 2 times root 2. That's 10. You can check it on a calculator if you don't believe me. Absolute value sign means what? The absolute value of 10 is 10. The absolute value of minus 10 is also 10. So if the absolute value of 10 is 10, 7 plus k could equal 10. If the absolute value of minus 10 is 10, 7 plus k could also equal minus 10. We work down. In this case, k would equal 10 minus 7, or 3. In this case, k would equal minus 10, minus 7, or minus 17. So our final answer is k equals 3, or k equals minus 17.